In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty the cache in Windows 11's Mozilla Firefox. If you've noticed that websites aren't loading correctly, pages are displaying outdated information, or Firefox seems slower than usual, clearing the browser cache can often help. The cache stores temporary website files to speed up browsing, but over time, these files can become outdated or corrupted. Fortunately, Firefox makes it easy to clear the cache in just a few moments, and I'll guide you through the process from start to finish. Begin by opening the Mozilla Firefox browser on your Windows 11 computer. Simply click the Firefox icon to launch the browser and wait for it to open completely. Once Firefox is open, look toward the upper right corner of the browser window. You'll see the menu button, represented by 3 horizontal lines, sometimes referred to as the hamburger menu. Click this button to open the main Firefox menu. From the menu that appears, select the Options or Settings icon to access the browser's configuration page. After the Settings page opens, look at the navigation panel on the left side of the window and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains the browser's privacy controls, history options, and tools for managing stored website data. Scroll down until you reach the History section. Within this section, locate the link labeled Clear Recent History and click it. A new window will appear with several options for removing different types of browsing data. In the pop-up window, make sure that only the cache option is selected. If any other items are checked, such as browsing history, cookies, or active logins, you can deselect them if your goal is only to clear the cache. This helps ensure that only the temporary website files are removed while your other browsing information remains unchanged. Once you've confirmed that cache is the only selected option, click the Clear Now button. Firefox will immediately remove the cached files stored by the browser. After the process is complete, close Firefox completely and then reopen it. Restarting the browser helps ensure that the changes take effect properly and allows Firefox to begin creating a fresh cache as you continue browsing the web. Regularly clearing your browser cache can help resolve website loading issues, display the most up-to-date content, and improve overall browsing performance, especially after websites have been updated. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,